Yes. Now we'll do the next chapter, that is a straight line in geometry. The chapter is straight line. Here also, in straight lines, you must know some of the important basic formulas. Then only you can able to do the multiple choice questions. Now, the important formulas are, now as we know, the equation of straight line in three different forms. One is y equal to mx plus c, that is slope form equation. M is the slope and c is the y intercept. M is the slope, c is the y intercept. Then second one, equation of straight line passing through the 2 points, y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1, x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the equation of the straight line joining the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then third one is the general form. It is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation of the straight line. One is the intercept form, second one is the line joining the 2 points, and third one is the general form. Three different forms of equations. For the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, general equation of the straight line. Here slope m is minus a by b. Slope m is minus a by b, and y intercept is minus c by b, and x intercept is c by b. X intercept is c by b. Next, the angle between the two lines. Angle between the two lines. One of the line is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and another line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Two equation of straight line. Then angle between the two lines, where theta is the angle between the two lines, then tan theta equal to modulus m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. m1 is the slope for the first line. It is minus a1 by b1. m2 is the slope for the second line, this is the second line, minus A2 by B2. Now this is the angle between the two lines. Tan theta equal to modulus M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2, where M1 is the slope for the first line minus A1 by B1 and M2 is minus A2 by B2 for the second line. Next, for the two lines, A1x plus B1y plus C1 equal to 0, first line, second line A2x plus B2y plus C2. These two lines are parallel. The two lines are parallel, then one of the condition is M1 equal to M2. The two slopes are equal. Second one, when they are perpendicular to each other, then condition is product of the two slopes is equal to minus 1. M1 into M2 equal to 0. The equation of the line, first one, parallel to Ax plus By plus C equal to 0 is Ax plus By plus K equal to 0, where K to be find out or determined when the equation of the line perpendicular to Ax plus By plus C equal to 0 is Bx minus Ay plus K equal to 0. When it is perpendicular, it is Bx minus Ay plus K equal to 0. When it is parallel, then it is Ax plus By plus K equal to 0. Then next, the equation of the line passes through the origin. Equation of line, when it passes through the origin, that is 0, 0 is Ax plus By equal to 0. There is no constant, only Ax plus By equal to 0. Then equation of x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Then equation of y-axis, x equal to 0. Next, equation of the line parallel to x-axis is y equal to k, and perpendicular to x-axis is x equal to k. When it is parallel to x-axis, y equal to k. When it is perpendicular to x-axis is x equal to k. Then slope of a line parallel to x-axis is 0, parallel to x-axis is 0, slope, and when it is perpendicular to x-axis is infinity. When it is perpendicular to x-axis is infinity. Now these are the formulas you have to remember, then only you can able to do the problems, multiple choice problems, you can able to do it.